Hello friends, welcome to LMS Solution Research Support. In this video, we are going to discuss about a dedicated AI tool for research scholars. So in this AI tool, there are only things which is related to research scholars use only will be present. So the templates also will be resembles our research paper preparation. So let us go on to today's video and explore that AI tool. So before going to today's video, an important announcement from our channel is that we are going to conduct an online workshop on AI powered research paper crafting, the ChatGPT and AI revolution. The main objective of this workshop is to familiarize you all with different AI tools which will be useful for research paper writing. And also we are going to explore different types of research prompts in ChatGPT, and we are going to obtain how to use ChatGPT to generate a better content for our research paper. These are the important things we are going to discuss in this workshop. So don't forget to register our online workshop. The link of the registration will be given in the description of this video. See you on our workshop. As EV charging station is popular nowadays, so this is an opportunity to join a live MATLAB workshop on EV charging station with PV and wind energy sources. In this workshop, we are going to model PV and wind energy sources with different MPPT algorithms, and we are going to extract maximum power from the different two renewable energy sources. And then we are going to incorporate a EV charging station with this renewable energy sources, and we are going to give power to the EV charging station using this PV and wind energy sources. Surely this workshop will bring out a better understanding about how to model EV charging station in MATLAB. So don't forget to register our online workshop. The link of the registration will be given in the description of this video. So learn more about EV charging in MATLAB simulation. Another important announcement is that this is a best opportunity to learn about more basics and advanced applications in MATLAB. So this workshop brings about how to have a MATLAB environment and 2D and 3D plotting. So in MATLAB, and also here we are going to explore different types of toolbox in MATLAB, that is a ANFIS toolbox, neural network toolbox and PID controller tuning. So these are the important things we are going to discuss in this workshop. So don't forget to register our online workshop. The link of the registration will be given in the description of this video. Learn more basics on this workshop. So in this video, we are going to discuss about an AI tool. So this is the AI tool we are going to discuss, Scholarchat.com. So our mission is to build a dedicated AI for scholars. So polish the language, change the tracks, check citation with reference list. And also it has having different options. So just to click on this Scholarchat.com. So it will lead to a dashboard like this here. So here you can see this is the dashboard. So here you can see I have logged in with my mail ID. So it's just a simple procedure. Here you can see welcome to Scholarchat, LMS editor. I am your research AI assistant. How may I assist you today? If you need any help with proofreading, writing or reviewing research papers, please let me know. So here you can see these are the important options here. So especially for research, so you can upload a paper and you can chat with your paper, or else you can proofread your document, or else you have to ask anything to write, or you can ask for a review. So here what I am going to do is, first I am going to try with this chat about the paper. So in this I am going to upload a paper. So here from web or from computer. So you can choose from computer and you can upload a paper. So here you can click on choose file. So in this you can upload a paper here. So here you can see this is the paper. So here I have uploaded this paper. Click on upload. So it will take several seconds to upload the paper. Here you can see that our paper is uploaded. Let's chat about this paper, that is the paper we have uploaded. So here I can show the paper, thereby you can get a better understanding about that paper. So here you can see, so this is the paper I have uploaded. You can see the paper here. Optimizations of controller parameters for grid tied photovoltaic system at faulty network using artificial neural network based 𝐾𝐽 algorithm. So this is the paper I have uploaded. So after that you can go to that Scholarchat. So in this Scholarchat, sure, what you would like to know about the paper. So here I am going to ask a question. Summarize the paper with main findings. So This is the question I am going to ask. Summarize the paper with main findings. So here our content is started to generated. You can see here the paper presents an optimization method for tuning controller parameters in grid-tied PV systems using cuckoo search, and then you can see this is how it will generate the content. So a summarized content is generated from this particular paper we have uploaded. So thereby you can get a better idea about that particular paper. So don't stop with it. You can ask any questions you want related with the paper. So it will generate better answers for you. For example, say I can ask what are the techniques used in this paper. So like that I am going to ask a question, what are the techniques used in this paper. So let us see how it will generate content. This paper uses a cuckoo search based ANN for optimizing control parameters in grid connected PV system. So here the study also considers the effectiveness of proposed system by comparing it with bacterial foraging optimization, as it is also compared with genetic algorithm. So it generates a content like this. So like that you can make use of this option and you can chat about your reference paper very better and write a that is, you can improve the literature review quality of your research paper using this Scholarchat. So next option is that proofread. So just to click on proofread. So here this is how it will looks like. So here you can see polish the text and fix grammar issues. Changes tracked in your MS Word file. Check citation with reference list, typically completed within 15 minutes. Approx cost 1.5 words points per word. So here your order is free within the limit of your all available points. I am going to give proofread. So you can choose your file here. So you can choose any of the file here. So for example, say here you can see you have enough points to proofread docs which only take 122 points. So here you can see, so this is the content I have uploaded. So it's just a random content I have taken from a paper. So here go to that option and click on place order. So it will take several seconds to update. So it is processing. So here you can see after several seconds it is showing view your proofread document. So here you can download this. So here you can see this is how our document is proofreader. So here you can see this weight signify the assigned importance of, instead of 2 you can use of, each impact index for DG penetration with road models, and the determination depends on the specific so D is erased. Here you can see instead of serving you can use serve. So here instead of however, so you can use however engineering consideration may cause these values. So like that possible suggestion and proofread grammar check will be done easily. So but it takes some of the points if you avail free version, so it is limited only for some points. So after that you have to go for subscription option. So this is all about proofread. So next one is writing. So here you can see Scholarchat AI writing. So you can give your raw inputs that Scholarchat AI writing is converted into a polished content. So just click on this writing. So here you can see customize your writing order. So a short name for your intro, that is you can give your name. So select the write up type paper. So here you can see introduction, related works, method, results and conclusion. For example, I am going to give abstract. So P is provide overview of paper. So background motivation, like that. For example, I am going to give grid connected PV system for electric vehicle charging station. So here you can see grid connected PV system for electric vehicle charging station. So you can even add more points like that background, motivation, your methods and results. So according to your input only the content will be generated. So after that, click on place order. So the description for the details is too short. It includes at least 30 words. Please include the battery management system in the grid connected PV system. Discuss about the converters used. So let us see. And also give the impacts of using renewable energy in EV charging stations. Give details about the economic benefit of using renewable source in EV charging station. So you have to give a better prompt and better input. So after that only it will generate content. So as you have seen that our input must be include minimum of 30 words. So that 30 words describe the work you have done. So we will wait and check it out how it will generate content. So here you can see view your write up. So download the content here. So here you can see this is the abstract. Yes, this abstract will be very better. The paper presents an in-depth analysis of a grid-connected PV system designed for electric vehicle charging station, incorporating an efficient battery management. It further elaborates on the types of converters used to facilitate the efficient functioning of the system. The study vividly describes the significant impacts of utilizing renewable energy source, particularly PV system. So like that, automatically your content will be generated. That is, your abstract will be generated. So you can make use of this option to generate a better abstract using this Scholarchat. So this will be one of the best option where you can get a better understanding about the Scholarchat. So next option is that reviewer. So here you can see. So you can upload your Word or any file. So that PDF or text that AI can review that particular thing. So provide critical and constructive feedback on your paper, typically completed within 15 minutes. Accept uploads Word, PDF and text format, approximately 1.5 points per word. For example, I am going to get review for free. So I am going to upload the same document I have used for proofread. So why I am doing that means it consists of only small number of words, only a paragraph. So let us see how it will generate. Here I have uploaded the file in the reviewer option. So here as we have uploaded only a single paragraph, it not take more time to generate the report. So let us see how it will generate. So it is just a demo and an example how this Scholarchat will work. So here you can click on this view your review doc. So here you can download that Word. So and you can open that one. So here you can see review of DG penetration with role models, impact analysis and weight, significance and novelty, strength, weakness, suggestions for improvement. So these are the things, these are the important feedback which will be generated from that AI. So here you can see the 4 options are a fantastic option for the research scholars. So you can do literature survey, or you can chat with your paper and generate a better content, and AI will proofread your content, so you can get rid of grammar mistakes and any errors, typo errors in your that is in your document. Next one, writing. As far as writing is concerned, it automates research paper writing. You just give what is the what you have need for your research paper, that is starting from abstract, introduction to conclusion. So all the things are available, so you have to give a perfect input. So after that, it acts as a reviewer to review your the research paper and get a better suggestions for your research paper to improve. So this will be a very versatile AI tool which is especially designed for research scholars. So don't forget to use this Scholarchat option. So as far as plans and pricing option is concerned, so you can see for free 6k points per month is for free, that is 6,000 points is for free. So if you want more, so you have to go for subscription option, that is 273 month, 273 per month, that is 40k points per month. Next one for pro, that is 910 per month, you can use up to 150k points per month. So this is the pricing option. It's a free up to 6,000 words, that itself enough for us to check that is section wise, that is in your research paper you can check section wise, that itself is enough. So if you interested in, if it is works out very well for you, so you can go for your subscription option. So this is all about this Scholarchat. So don't forget to go on and analyze this Scholarchat to get a better content, so and make your research paper writing even easier. Hope this video will be very helpful for you. Thank you for watching our videos. Have a nice day. Thank you.